Welcome back, everybody, to the show. How's it going? How is everybody doing on this fine, let's just say, after London session? So far, so good, right? Everything is cool. All is good. Now, let's see what could be happening today. All right, setting up the charts here a second. Garu, hello there. Welcome, Garu. Yeah, so on the 15-minute chart, we actually created a supply zone up there. I was surprised a little bit because this drop was quite amazing. There was some NVIDIA news coming out, and it seems like that was pretty much positive for the market. So yeah, so far so good. K-Bell, hello. Earlier, Silver was meant to say if anyone was worried but said scared. I don't think you offended anyone. Don't worry about it. I think you're absolutely good. I'm kind of watching this NQ, like how far can it go lower? Is it going to go all the way down back to the demand zone? Or are we going to go back again to the top of this range? Because we're definitely in a range right now. And a quick look on gold, I think it's just also wants to go back up there. There's a 15-minute zone right before the drop. Who knows? Anyway, interesting. Ollie, hello there. Previous day high, maybe. It's just, it's hard to say. We have that fair value gap on the hourly up there, which makes it more interesting. Although we have a demand zone, I think we're pretty much in the middle of everything. Yeah, the new haircut, you know. The new haircut, as always. Yeah. So, in the middle of this level, right at, well, actually this order block is, this doesn't matter. Supply zone just around midnight level, which is kind of cool. I like it. Let's see how far we get. So far, NQ feels a little bit weak. I know. Might want to go down a little bit further, but who knows? But yeah. So far, so good. I'd say if we want to take a long, maybe to scalp it, we might want to go. Actually, let's get this off. We might need to use this level here for potential buys. Just an idea. HD photo, welcome. Hello, hello. Oh no, what happened, Ollie? I bought a TRADEIFY instant fund that I care about it. Oh, don't worry. They are refunding me the difference. No problem, Ollie. Absolutely all right. Absolutely okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. At least they did right. Like, Ollie, at least they refunded you the difference, and that's a good thing. Capzone Ponte, hello, and thank you so much again, Ollie, for at least considering. But thank you for the support. Anyways, thank you so much. All right, let's see, what else do we have? We have 12 likes. We need to push it. Yeah, they are absolutely great in this. Kev, one question. What are your criteria to draw demand or supply zone? Yeah, excellent question, by the way. We had the same question earlier in the London session. Let me just give you a link, because it's like, I would say it would not be as simple to share in a minute or so. So the best thing I would tell you, as I uploaded a video, and here's the link to my video. It was about 2 months ago or something. It's not the best video I made about this. It's about supply demand zones, the way I see it. Not the best editing, but you should watch the video and I will give you some ideas. Yeah, definitely. So it's more detailed. And actually, I'm working on another video about the same topic, because this first one is not the best editing, but I will do a much better one. So I will do a much better one. Hey, Dominic, what's up? Guess who's back? How's it going, man? So far, no volume. NQ below this VWAP in this fair value gap. Not much is happening. We're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Could be dropping down to that 15-minute level. And we have another 15-minute level up there. And basically this whole thing here, this is just the same range. Like, we're just going for internal liquidity at this point, by the way, which is quite interesting, to say the least. But yeah, not much is going on. This looks a little bit weak to me. Do we have some news, by the way? Just retail sales numbers and Canadian news, PMI numbers later after market open, but that's not that strong news. So we'll see. Bear Trader, hello. Oh yeah, I had a video about this a couple of months ago. What is the trading fee if I trade micro NASDAQ? Well, it depends on the prop firm. I'm not sure about the commission. Usually it's about anywhere between $3 to $5 of round trip. It's usually a little more expensive than trading the mini, but it's expensive because, you know, you can scale in and out easier. Hold on. Kind of setting up something here. Okay. So NQ going lower here. Make it another Green Friday, Satish. Thank you, but I like to make it another Green Friday, but so far we just have to be careful. Actually, I'm excited to look for some long positions on gold, by the way. That's a 15-minute supply zone. 15-minute supply zone right there. Hey, Vivian! Ó, emlékszem, rég voltál. Voltak, köszönöm. Mi újság veled? Fellow Hungarian trader just dropped in. Hogy mind? Ja, alakultak. Hogy megy a trade? Drop to 25,420. We could, I mean, at 420, let's see. I mean, yeah. there is a level there as well. And at 420, we have that fair value gap. So yeah, kind of looks okay. That's a good level for liquidity. So yeah, could be a sell-off. Could be a sell-off incoming. Yeah, I think so too. It could get filled down there, but I've gotta be careful here because we might not get enough volume. It seems like NQ, by the way, wants to drop. It does feel like it wants to get back down to that zone there, but like I'm not sure. What's the distance here? 60 points now. If we could displace below 595, then maybe I would consider that as a possible short. Otherwise, I don't think so. I don't know. We have 21 likes, everybody. So let's make it a little bit more. Thank you, thank you. I'm really eyeballing with that level down there on NQ. I really do. Because there's no structure here. That's the problem. This whole pullback here, this is not a structure. The structure shift would be if we could break below 595. And then we could target that order block down there at 539. Now that would be interesting. I'm not in a trade. I'm kind of waiting for a trade. Actually, a down close candle. There you go. This is what I'm waiting for. I need displacement with a fair value gap below 596. I need that. If it's not happening, I'm not gonna do anything with that. Giveaway today, yes. Actually, let's see how we're doing. One account giveaway is gonna happen. Let me just check it. Once we get to 50 likes, I'm gonna start the... If we can have 50 likes, we're gonna start the giveaway. And I'm gonna let the tickets open for 5 minutes only. As soon as we get to 50 likes, the giveaway is starting. I see 33 likes. I think. 38 now. 12 more. 12 more and we're good to roll. 47. All right. Can we get to 50? Can we get to 50? All right. Here you go. We have the 50. Okay. All right. We have the 50 likes. I think it's only fair if I set up everything. Okay. So let's hey, Kamulat. Jó reggelt, időben, épp giveaway lesz. Hello, Gábor. Yeah, so giveaway is starting. Radu Mircea, sorry. I'm just gonna say Radu. Hey, good morning. Michael, hello. The link, no, it's not gonna be a link. It's going to be exclamation mark cash for a $60 cash giveaway. to get a ticket. Everybody type exclamation mark cash. Is going to be opened up for 5 to 10 minutes and everybody gets one ticket. Good morning. Hello, hello. Exclamation mark cash, everybody. One ticket for everyone. Let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be money, not code, Michael. Because the thing is, we didn't hit the sales mark yet. I thought we will. So it's not gonna be a code. That's why I said if we can get some Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY sales, I could get some more codes. Because last 1 week ago on Friday, I had 10 codes. And I've been told if we can push the sales with TRADEIFY and Take Profit Trader, both prop firms said if we can push some more sales, a couple of more accounts with my code, then they will give me codes to give away. But for now, it's going to be cash because I promised you guys there's going to be giveaway. So on $80, you can buy actually a MyFundedFutures core account. I think you can buy maybe a TRADEDAY account. I'm not sure. But yeah, you can buy a TRADEDAY account. MyFundedFutures core account. You can buy a Funded Futures Network standard account, actually 2 with the buy one get one for free promo. And what else? Some others. Or you can just buy a beer or a dinner or go to the movies or whatever is that you like to do. Whatever suits you. Yeah, you can buy some beer. Why not? Beer is on the house. So let me just put it out here. 51 tickets already. All right, 51 tickets, exclamation mark. I'm going to be only letting this open until another 3 or 4 minutes. Cake for kids. Yeah, exactly. Almost a top step 50K if you add $4 from your own money. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. The way I'm doing this is I can send the cash through PayPal, Revolut, or Wise. Okay, PayPal, Revolut, or Wise. These are the things I can do. If not, then we will sort it out. We will discuss it on email and we will sort it out. All right. Good luck, everybody. One single winner for $80 for now. But for $80, you can buy at least 3 prop firm, evaluation accounts, at least 3 prop firms with no activation fee. MyFundedFutures, no activation fee. Funded Futures Network, no activation fee. Buy one, get one for free promo, by the way. So you can get 2 accounts for this price. Or you can buy TRADEDAY account. Maybe you can, yeah. And you can buy any, 25K accounts at Lucid with no monthly payment and no activation fee. You can buy the 25Ks if you will. Yeah, I know. Top Step finally did that. Or for in Apex. I think the Apex sale is done, right? For now, at least. I have to check it if they extended it or not. They don't seem like that they extended it so far. Yeah. They didn't. Unfortunately. Let me check Bulenox because I think Bulenox is also over. I haven't updated the Streamlabs bot yet. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's yeah, Bulenox is Yeah, Bulenox is down to 45% currently. Sorry. One winner, only one small giveaway, and we're gonna close the tickets very shortly in about a minute. All right, only one winner. One winner for $80. I promised you guys there was a winner yesterday and today. Next week, if you can pump up some Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY sales, I promise you we're gonna be getting codes for next week. That's a fact. So if you would like to grab some TRADEIFY Take Profit Trader accounts as well, don't forget to use the TOMSABO code, and that will add to the thing. All right, I'm gonna close it down in about, let's see, 30 seconds or less. All right, who won? Not yet. 84 tickets already. Oh, your parents-in-law. Cool. Nice. All right. I'm gonna be closing it in 3, 2, and 1, 0.5, 0.1, and I'm gonna cover the chat. So final. I'm gonna cover the chat, so I'm not reopening it. 3, 2, 1, boom. I closed it. I'm sorry. Yo, what's up? Okay, I've covered the chat. So we have 93 tickets. All right. The winner of the $80 cash giveaway, which you can buy some accounts at a few prop firms, is going to be no other than the one and the only, the irresistible best trader. Let's see who it is. Kukaritor. Congratulations. Or Susaritor. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna say Kukaritor. Congratulations. Make yourself known. If you're here, that's awesome. If you're not here, yo, he is here. He or she, we don't know, is here. So congratulations. The way we're gonna do it is I'm gonna type in my email. Guys, there will be more giveaways next week. All right. I'm not a huge channel here, but if we can, you know, do it as a team, there are going to be more codes. I mean, there's going to be codes, actually. That's what I'm saying. We must pump up the numbers at Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY. So here's my email. Please send me your PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, I can do Wise or Revolut. If you have Revolut tag, Wise tag, or PayPal email is fine too. If you don't have any of those, I think it's very easy to register at Wise. It's free, by the way, to register, absolutely free. Or I can do international bank account. It's not you, Michael. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Congratulations again to the winner. And yeah. So I'm kind of trying to figure this out, like where does this want to go, because we don't have news. We still have time until like 8 a.m. at 8:30. I'm expecting some volume to the market. Yeah. I don't know where you live, Kukaritor, which country. If you live in the US, there might be some other cash apps. If you don't have PayPal, or Wise or Revolut. I mean, it's free to make an account with Wise or Revolut, by the way, absolutely free. And it's like, it takes about 2 minutes, maybe 3, to create an account with Wise. But if you don't have any of those, well, depends on where you live, you know. Maybe I can ask Methodical Man to help me out. He has some other cash apps in the US. I don't know. And he will send it to you. Morning, Vanelvan. You didn't miss anything. There was a small giveaway here. Nothing special. I mean, yes, it was special because we have a winner. But that's all it was. Just a giveaway. Okay, so far, to me, it seems like it just wants to go lower. It does seem like it. And I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a trade here. Really. I am really, really, really tempted to. I just don't know which account should I use. I think I know. So 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, I took a very, very, very small short based on the 1 minute to see if we want to tag this 15-minute demand zone lower. And my TP on this one is going to be 542. Buy limit. All right, it's cool. Let me try and make an account. Hey, no problem. Yeah, a core. I can't give you a core account, unfortunately, because I have a limit. And 1 week ago, we gave away 5 core accounts. That's the problem. We gave away 5 core accounts, and I have to wait for a certain amount of time that MyFundedFutures is going to give me another batch of accounts that I can give away. I can actually, you know what, Kukaritor, send me an email. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Send me an email. Send me your MyFundedFutures email that you registered with MyFundedFutures, okay? Maybe we can figure this out. If you send me an email with your registered email, maybe I can make some good word with the affiliate partnership and ask them to give you an account. No promises though, because they said I have to wait a certain amount of time for another batch of accounts, but maybe they will make an exception with 1 account for you. I don't know. So send me an email, send me your MyFundedFutures email address, and after I'm finished today with the stream, I will send them an email. So you might have to wait for some response until the end of the day, or who knows, maybe tomorrow. Worst case scenario until Monday, I don't know. And we'll figure it out. Don't worry. Either way, we might have some success and you get the account from MyFundedFutures, or I'm just gonna send you the money in some other way. Just send me an email. That's the thing. Somebody ate all the apples and left you with the cores. Yes, exactly, Mr. Smith. The Small Short? No, just The Big Short. I only watched that movie. I mean, that was a good movie. The Big Short. I liked it. That was a really good one, I think. So anyway, here's the trade. Do you ever punish yourself for losing money? Why would I punish myself? Not really. I mean, there was one punishment though. It was like about 2 years ago. I took the coffee mug and I smashed it to the door because I was so angry. That was the biggest outrage or outburst that I ever had with trading, because I blow up like, I don't know, like 8 funded accounts at the same time, or 6 or 8, I don't even know. But that was not 25. That was in 2024. And I took the coffee mug and I threw it to the door. And you can guess it that I mean, not the door, but to the wall. Sorry, the wall behind the door. And you can guess it that the coffee mug did not survive. But it is what it is. By the way, I have new coffee mugs. This coffee mug that I'm holding, I just ordered it from the United States Amazon, which is made in China, by the way, this one. But it's a classic American style retro coffee mug. And I have 4 of these. I ordered 4. I really like it. Classic US retro style coffee mug. You can see these in the movies, by the way. The neighbor's house. Screenshot of YouTube. All right, yeah, let me just see if I have it. Awesome, cool. Please send me. Oh, MyFundedFutures email is okay. I have it. Can you confirm back to me that your email last characters are H and the 5, the letter H and the number 5? And I will know that's you. I'm guess it's you because you just sent me. I just want to make sure. Yes, thank you. That's all. That is all. Okay. I'm going to send an email to support and we'll see if they can do it for you. If not now, then we will have an email discussion and we will figure out some Cash App that I can send it over with. All right. We'll make it happen somehow. I promise. All right. Okay, so this trade is not really the one that I was looking for, to be honest. I thought we were going to just drop down. It could be just a sweep. Look at that. Reprice this fair value gap here. Could have been just manipulation and then distribution higher. How about that? Could be easily happening. Take your time, by the way. You know what, Kukarito? Just take your time. Don't worry. You can try Wise. That Wise is very simple, by the way, but it's not mandatory. It's up to you. And, you know, you can email me later today or tomorrow or next week, whenever you're ready, or you think that you're good with an account. And so when you make the account with Wise, you can have a virtual debit card as well. So you can actually pay with that money or even just take it out with an ATM machine. So you can do whatever you want with that. I already lost 3K this morning trying to figure out how to punish me. Oh, no. Don't punish yourself, man. That's like no way to treat. No, it's not about. No, you cannot punish yourself. What's the maximum number of funded accounts you had at the same time? I had 14 funded accounts, and I started to copy trade them. You can guess what happened. I mean, I only had 14 funded accounts for like about 2 weeks or something, 3 weeks. Then I started to lose them because I couldn't handle the emotional pressure with copy trading. I would say on average, I'm focusing on 4 or 5 funded accounts. I have usually like 6 or 8. A couple of them I'm not trading at all. Keep them on the shelf. And I'm focusing on 3 or 4 funded accounts by rotating them. That's how that was the best result I had so far. So that's what I'm keep continuing to do. India. Nice. India is not restricted country with MyFundedFutures, right? I hope so. No, it's not. Okay, it's not. Cool. So you should be okay. No, it's not. All right. Just checked it. Good morning, Jipsmith. Hello. NQ expectations. Well, it's a tough question. I just said it before, like we're hovering in between these levels, and I don't know. It's really tough. I took a very small short position. It's in a bit of a drawdown now, and I just feel like it's maybe I should just close it. Honestly, it seems like that the 5 minute, maybe I should just stick on the 5 minute. I feel like that 15-minute supply zone could be a target for later. I really thought that it's that we're just gonna go lower. Anyway, $80 negative. I'm closing it. I closed it. Closed the short. I'm sorry. I just don't feel it. I closed the short with $82 loss. Actually, not 82. Let me check it. $89 because of the commission. $89 of loss. So I closed it. What is the expectation itself with NQ for the opening? Well, Burrito, for the open, if we can get closer, and I think this is what I will be leaning towards too, because it seems like there's just buying power here. Buyers are stepping in. Once we get above this level, which is the 658, I might just gonna buy. And let's go to that supply zone up there, you know. I have a Wise account, never used before. Oh, no problem. What should I send? Well, usually when you open up your Wise account, let me just check it. When you open up your Wise account, don't be embarrassed, by the way, it's fine. When you open up your Wise account, on the upper left corner, you click on your profile, and there's a Wise tag, just like with the emails. There's an @ sign, and you have the Wise tag. You can send it to me, or if you click on the Wise tag, you can actually like you can get a QR code. So if you can send me your QR code or a Wise tag as a screenshot, that is perfect, because I can send it like super easy with that. Yeah, if you send it, then that's absolutely perfect. You know, that is actually super perfect. Makes it very simple. I just scan it and I just click on it, and boom, it's there in a second. Well, it looks like NQ is trying to push higher. Ahmed, hello. Targeting 650. That's a good target, actually. Could be crawling higher here to that area. All right. Let's see. Oh. You sent it. Cool. All right, you sent your Wise account ID. Let me just open it. Awesome. Sending. It's gonna be US dollar 80, which is cool. I'm gonna write giveaway. Okay. I'm sending it. Oh, it says sending to Indian customers' Wise account is not allowed. Please use local bank details instead. Oh, that's what it says. I am sorry about this. This is the message. I don't know if you can read it, but what it says. Oh, anyway. But it says sending to Indian customers is not allowed. I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, I'll try to email support. All right, I'll try to email MyFundedFutures if they can help you out. If not, whew, well, I don't know. We'll find out something. Maybe PayPal or Revolut. I guess the Revolut is not working in India as well. I don't know. I can't do crypto today. So even if I can do crypto, it's going to take for me at least 24 hours. We can try, maybe. All right? Maybe we can try that later. We'll see. Cash in an envelope. Exactly. PayPal works. All right. Oh, we are going higher, it seems like. Almost back to the VWAP here. Almost back to VWAP. Let's see. Can we go to like 35 here? It's like almost up there. I want to go higher, who knows? Not only VWAP. Yeah, we have. I'm actually curious if the market wants to go up there to that 650s, actually 660s. Might be interesting to jump into a buy position there. The Discord is not ready yet. I'm sorry. I will work on it more, but it's not ready yet. It's my mistake. Not yet. By the way, hey Natasha, you're the sickest trader ever and posted tonight. All right. My bearish target on gold is 48.88. Yeah, let's see. Gold is slowly also going up there. Yeah, I know. I want to do that. By the way, I know I say this all the time. I really want, I have plans with Discord. I have plans for this year with Discord. Actually, I want to have a community there, a hardcore community in Discord. If you guys would be interested, there's going to be a free Discord who I would be streaming. I mean, I would also do some Discord streams as well, which would be a little bit more free speech and like opinions and everything, a little bit closer attention, you know, and we can analyze some charts, do some setups and do some back testing and learn about the charts more. I'd love to do that, by the way. In the gold, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, let's go back to NQ here. It feels like NQ can also drop here. It's just if it cannot manage to go through this level and this fair value gap on the 5 minute, it might gonna have some troubles maybe. Yeah, buyers keep coming in. Can they continue? Up 8K, let's go, Natasha. We have 100 likes, so amazing. Thank you so much for pushing the likes, everyone. This is just so great. Smash it if you can. That helps out the channel and YouTube and everything. Thank you so much, everyone. Smash it, smash it. Thank you. Yeah, gold is going higher. And NQ is still hovering here. And not much is happening. Silver will hit 100. Again. Oh my god, it's going, yeah. Yeah, it's going. So I'm guessing if silver is going there, it might just gonna bring gold as well. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's where it's going. Silver for 100. And it's Friday. Could be the rally. Who knows? NQ is definitely not so popular right now. Good morning. Hello, Spyro. NQ fill the gap. Could happen. Let's try to understand what happened here. There was a displacement lower with the fair value gap. We inverted this gap, so let's just go over the narrative. I think this is crucial right now. So let's just go over this. What gap, up or down? Well, which gap? I mean, there was a gap here. This gap here. I mean, not gap. Come on. Oh, I'm talking about gap. There's a gap up there also at 765. But first, the supply zone. That's what I'm looking for. Pass my account on phase 2. Let's go. Congratulations. Awesome, Gerald. You know what? I need to give you an applause because I know you were working on it. Amazing. So anyway, here's a fair value gap. We inverted it. Picked up liquidity. So we picked up liquidity with these candles. Even from there. And now, it might be time to move on. So this is the 15-minute chart. Again, inverted another one right here. I don't want to put too much gaps just to understand the narrative here. Inverted another one, shifting the structure higher. It's definitely bullish on NQ, at least this moment. So there was a small structure shift here on this candle. A bullish market structure shift. liquidity sweep, beautiful bounce from the middle of the fair value gap here. This is all absolutely bullish signs. And this is a bullish engulfing candle right here. If I want to be super aggressive, I can enter here. I target that level. And yeah, how about this? How about this? I'm going to enter to a trade. Right now. Okay. Entered. A little bit early, I know. A little bit early. Hold on a second. Okay. Market makers. What a drop here, by the way. So bullish engulfing candle. Good morning, Juan. Hello. Roxanne, still technically in the bigger picture, I mean, we can say that it's downtrend. I'm not debating it could be a downtrend for sure. Check the 30-minute. I never check the 30-minute usually. Let's see. 30-minute looks good, but no structure shift. The 30-minute is definitely bearish. Yeah. It is bearish, the 30-minute. So let me just switch here and so this is the trade that I'm in. Stop loss would be 589. 589. I'm gonna go with 589. Sell stop. And TP, final TP would be 696. That's good. I can go with the 696. All right, this is it. They watch the stream, that's for sure. Yeah. I'm curious about this now, because the way I'm trying to build the narrative up, like this would make sense to me. Like liquidity picked up, inverted this gap 2, shifted the market structure, or changing the state of delivery, whatever we want to call it. We have the weave up here. If we can close higher than the weave up, we should be approaching this swing high. And once we're above the swing high, we are super close to the zone. So this is basically the bridge that I'm trying to build to get to the target that I'm looking for. You know, make TP on 740. Yeah, that could also work, but you know, I'm okay with the low-hanging fruit. This would be the target that I'm looking for. If I'm on side, and that's a big if at this point, but if I'm on side, I would be exiting from this as soon as possible. But I mean, so far, the way I see it, liquidity picked up, bounced from the middle of this fair value gap, inverting this fair value gap, up shifting with an up close candle, completely okay. If the narrative is changing, and that's why I put my stop loss here, then I would be looking maybe for shorts below that level, but that's below my stop, right? So all I need is up close candle above the weave up. Then we're gonna go here. So step 1, step 2, step 3 to the zone. And this would look something like, you know, something like this, maybe, hopefully. Maybe a bit of a consolidation here. And maybe at the market open, we can just squeeze higher. This would be something that I'd love to see. Who knows? Yeah, let's just say super loud, like, hey, let's short everybody. Maybe the market will go higher. Maybe. And by the way, I'm actually very curious. I'm going to put an alert on silver once we are approaching higher. Look at this push. Oh my gosh. Silver is like, wow. It might gonna take some time. It could take some time. I'm out of tea. No more tea. Yeah, Friday is hard. Thank you, Jim Smith. Yeah. Thanks for dropping in. Yeah, so far it looks good, but if this area would hold, and by the way, here is a fair value gap. This is what concerning me a little bit, because the weave up is just here. If we can't get through this fair value gap, that's trouble. That's something that's going to be troubling me. So there is definitely resistance in this area. If we can make it through 641, then we're okay. We should be all right. Point of control is 616. Well, if that's point of control, then I'm assuming there's a low volume node here, and there's another small point of control just around that supply zone higher. I don't have the volume profile on anywhere on my end, but I'm suggesting that you know, this area could be a low volume node. This could be a point of control, and here's a point of control. So this would be like, you know, something like this. We just have to make it through. Anyway. And it's just not going. 680. Let's see. Lower, high. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's definitely resistance. Look at the reaction here. Just my simple analysis. Almost at 7,800 subs. We need 10 more. Awesome. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. And we are doing 118 likes. That is amazing. Can we push it a little bit more? Can we push it to maybe, I don't know, 130 maybe? Thank you. I'm so greedy with the likes, I know. And look at this, it's going lower. What is going on? I don't understand. I really don't understand. Good morning, Forex Mitch. Hello. Thank you, loving nature guy. What's up? He told like, thank you, Moses. Yeah, more likes, more viewers. Prop firms liking it as well. Okay, what else do we have? I'm not liking this. Just can't get through that level. Close the gold buy. Nice. Good trade. Awesome trade, Natasha. Congratulations. I feel like it could be pumping higher still. But now, I don't know. If this fails and goes below that 584, then there's no other like logic than to go down to 539. I don't see anything else that could happen. Exactly. We'll see it in New York session. Everything can happen. It was a big position. Let's go. 8.4K. Congratulations, Natasha. Wow, nice. That is amazing. Okay. Still hovering here. Still hoping that it can continue. You are absolutely welcome. If price doesn't want to go higher, yeah. it'll go. It destroyed. Yeah, the hope destroys the traders. That's true. Hope is not a good. I mean, hope. Hope is sometimes good, sometimes not so much. Depends. I gotta change the lights for the My Funded TV segment for later. Okay, so far it's okay. Let me show you. Still in the trade. $131 buy contract, 25,620 filled. All right. Oh, it's 99.5 on. Look at silver. Oh my gosh, silver is just making history, everybody. It's happening. Silver is just making a new history. Wow. Actually, I have to check it on the CFDs as well. Oh my gosh, it's really going. It will really go. I mean, I think silver has tried or attempted to go once. Actually, hold on. That was it yesterday? I'm not sure. Yeah, that was yesterday. It tried. Didn't really make it up there. But anyway, still cool. Basically, it's a silver watch party now. We're waiting for silver to hit all-time high again. I mean, yeah, practically history. The magical round number of 100. Yeah. Might not. Yeah, definitely there's lots of selling pressure here. Exactly. Place stop loss accordingly. Size your positions accordingly. I didn't even silver watch party. Yeah, let's get back to NQ. And yeah, small drawdown here on my end. Gold also, like it follows slowly. There is a 15-minute supply zone higher, which I really like. It kind of lines up with the silver movement here. But no entry. It's just a slow grind here on gold. Silver watches, yes, Mr. Smith, exactly. That's what we're gonna do. Silver watch giveaways, 100% sure. Yeah, it's crazy how it goes. I've coded my own quant indicator for trading using Kalman mathematics. Would love to get our trader's feedback on trading the library. Just search for Ardley Core Fund Indicator. I'm gonna write that down. Hold on. Let's see. I will look into it. Don't worry. Ardley Core Fund Indicator. Core Fund Indicator. Thank you. I wrote it down. Oh, look at this drop. Oh no. We're offside again. What's happening? What is going on? Silver also dropping. Could be some selling pressure here. Geez, falling. Yeah. Should have known that there is, you know, or there could be some issues going higher. Terrier met to sponsor 100 silver. Yeah, we can ask them too. Maybe they will. Who knows? A silver watch giveaway. All right. So we have the comics open, commodity exchange floor. Nothing special going on. At least not for now. Silver is falling a little bit more here. Just an interesting thing. I was just watching it. Gold also melting a little bit down. Wouldn't be surprised in a huge sell-off, by the way. Lots of long positions are going to get squeezed here. Easily. So wouldn't be surprised. Dun, dun. Hey Ray, what's up? Oh, Seller is pushing it down for sure. I might have to kill this one as well. It's just not playing out the way I wanted it. Damn it. It's not good. I don't like this. It is a science project. It is. Let me just get this off. Okay. What a shame. There is potential for a sell-off across the board, I think. Could be possible. Well, so far it's holding. I wonder if we can get some liquidity in about 7 minutes. It's failing to break previous high. It is. It's definitely a fail for now. And you know, I don't like these kind of candles here. I don't like it. And this one's just a sign here that it looks like it just wants to sell off. What a shame. Crazy market, though. Never let friends see what you're making in trading. Yeah. That is true. Yeah, I was meaning to ask you, Natasha, are you using any indicators maybe, or just pure price action? Just candlesticks, you know. Timing is late. Yeah. I think so too. Also because even if my level is valid and it's good, it might just go down, squeeze everyone, and then go higher. You know. There's gonna be news in about 6 minutes, I think, but it's like orange news, which means no, sorry, it's gonna be Canadian news, so never mind. US PMI numbers are gonna be at 9:45, and University of Michigan sentiment at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Sending again. All right. Well, unfortunately, this trade is not looking good. I have to get a coffee. I'm so sleepy. I need to get a coffee. I haven't slept too much. Oh no. Oh no, it's going down. All right, I'm closing it. At this point, it just doesn't matter. Let it take the full stop. Let it take the full stop. It doesn't matter. Hey, Pedro, what's up? Yeah, it's very ugly here. It's that this is just let's see. Gold also tanked a little bit here. Doesn't look good. I don't know how I'm still in this trade, but it's a small miracle that I'm still in it. You read my mind. Yeah. Hey, Adrian from Switzerland. Welcome. Hello there. Thanks for joining us. Unfortunately, as you can see, I'm gonna suffer a stop loss here, and we'll see how it goes for later. Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna be a stop loss. No. I'm gonna cry later. You know, alone in my room in the dark. Every day. Oh, every day. Sorry, you're here every day. Sorry. You see, that's another sign. Oh, we got stopped out. That's another sign that how tired I am. All right, everybody. I think this is it. I'm gonna call it here, and that's it. So I don't want to, you know, push anything further. I'll be at MyFundedFutures, MyFunded TV in about 32 minutes. So let's hope that the market open will hold something for us. This is just not good. So thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for the subs and the likes. And if you'd like to support the channel, please use my code up there. It's TOMSABO. You can see it for all these prop firms. We need some sales with TRADEIFY and Take Profit Trader if you'd like to get some daily payouts with them and such, because then if they get a couple of sales, we can also have some giveaway accounts next week. So thank you for considering. Also, MyFundedFutures, the Rapid and the Pro accounts are on sale. You can also use my code. Thank you, everybody. God bless you all. I'm sorry, but you know, this was not the best session at all. Mikhail, hey, thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. So, ladies and gentlemen, see you worst case scenario on Monday. Otherwise, I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. So God bless you all and cheers.